Is it cut? Ooh, isn't that pretty?
What is it?
It's a bologna cake.
Bologna cake.
Uh-huh.
Are you for real?
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. Happy birthday, honey.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you too.
What did Mama make for you?
Mama made roast beef, mashed potatoes, and beans.
Real mashed taters.
Real man food. Real mashed potatoes.
Today is Dave's birthday, and I wanted to give him a surprise birthday cake. So I'm going to make him a bologna birthday cake. I don't know if you've ever heard of this before, but I found it on the internet. There's really no recipe for it, so I'm going to I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to fake it and try to make a bologna birthday cake. I got some romaine lettuce on a plate that I'm going to build my bologna cake on. I have a half a cup of mayonnaise. I have 8 ounces of cream cheese, and I have a stack of 1 pack of the thick bologna. I had to take the little red bands off of it. And then I think I'm going to use some mustard also for some coloring. And then I got to try to be creative. I was looking for some Cheese Whiz that I could squirt on top and make little roses or something, but I couldn't find any Cheese Whiz at Publix. So I'm going to give this a shot. First of all, I've had this out for a while trying to get it at room temperature. It's still a little hard, so I'm going to stick it in the microwave for about 10 seconds. 10 seconds more. Oh, starting to make a crackling sound, so yeah, it's kind of gushy now. So I'm going to add a half a cup of mayo. This is my icing. That's what I'm trying to do here. Okay, so I've got that, and I'm going to take half of it and put it in a bowl, and the other half I'm going to throw some mustard in with it. Just for the color and the flavor. Okay, not bad. Here comes the fun part. So let's see. Piece of bologna, and then cream cheese with the mayo. And I hope I got enough here. And then another layer. And this time I'm going to use yellow. It's messy to do this. Get up to the edges. You've probably had roll-ups before, like ham and cream cheese and rolled up. It's kind of the same thing with bologna. Dave likes bologna. He really likes fried bologna. So I just thought this would be fun. He's out buying a new saw or something for the renovation that we're doing. So I figured I'd get this done while he was gone, then I can stick it in the fridge so it can this cream cheese can kind of harden back up again. Hey, now I gotta frost the whole thing. He loves Doritos. I think I'll crumble them and put them on top. If I stick them into the bologna, it'll be cutting the bologna. May as well stick some on the side. Masterpiece, don't you think? This is going to be fun. I'm going to stick it back in the fridge to get it get nice and cold. Okay, here he comes. Hey,
Hey.
did you get your saw?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's up in the car. I gotta get the cart, take it down.
Oh.
And here's your stain and paintbrush.
Oh, thank you.
What's with the video?
Have a seat.
What's going on?
Have a seat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
What is
Happy
that?
birthday, dear Dave. Happy birthday to you.
What is that?
It's the birthday cake.
What is it? What's that? Doritos?
Yeah.
What is it? Some sort of Mexican thing?
Sorta. Here, let's
Really?
cut it. We'll try it and see what you think.
Cut it how?
Like a cake.
Like a cake.
Uh-huh. I never saw a cake on lettuce before, huh?
No. Not one with Doritos on it either.
You need a little spatula thingy to get it up with?
Yeah.
Here.
Give me that knife.
Is it cut? Ooh. Isn't that pretty?
What is it?
It's a bologna cake.
Bologna cake.
Uh-huh.
Are you for real?
For real.
That's bologna.
That is bologna.
Not too bad.
Here's a fork. And here's some crackers. Or if you prefer, here's more Doritos.
So how do you eat this thing?
Well, actually, I think what you do is you take a little piece and you put it on a cracker.
What, like this?
Yeah. Be honest.
Actually, it's pretty damn good.
Cut me a real skinny piece.
I'm really surprised.
Well, you like bologna. You like
Yeah.
mayonnaise. You
Is
like
that what's on it? Mayonnaise?
You like the mayonnaise and cream cheese.
Why is it yellow?
It's got some mustard in it.
Oh. Try it. You'll like it. Bologna cake.
It's really good.
It is.
I'd make a great appetizer.
Bologna cake. Happy birthday to me.
I'm so surprised. Wait a minute.
Oh, that is something unusual there, honey.
That's a darn right pretty looking cake.
That's downright righteous.
You going back for some more, Dave?
Sure. Hey, it's good. Don't knock it till you tried it.
But seriously.
And I'm not full of bologna either. Uh-oh, it's got a card. It says, my Dave, talking about
Bye, Dave.
beer is just dream-flavored water. Have the birthday of your dreams. Love you very much. Hugs and kisses, Karen. Keyword, beer.
Speaking of which, I got you some man flowers.
Oh, you didn't. Oh, look at that. What more could a boy ask for on his birthday? Bologna cake, a nice card from my wife, and man flowers from my wife.
And?
And what else? Uh-oh. And cupcakes.
I had to get you chocolate. I know you like your chocolate.
I like my chocolate too. Look at this.
Happy birthday, sweetheart.
Thank you. Thank you very much. That was nice. Yeah, that bologna cake is award-winning. I think the only thing better you could do to it is deep fry it.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.